So today, real quick, we're going to see about driveways that catch the bottom of vehicles. We were working on this job today, a big circular or half circle driveway, and you'll see this is the problem area right here. Besides doing some other repair work and doing a resurfacing of the driveway, this was of particular importance to the owner. Why? Because as you get closer, you can see they probably didn't pull permit or anything for this cut in the driveway, and they just kind of poured it in here, if you will. And what's happened is this top in here is too steep. And let's go back one. And so what we're going to do is we're going to take and mill this down and essentially move, be graded out from essentially here all the way back in between these two trees here, roughly 30-40 feet, so that this grade is slight enough to where the vehicle can get in. So that today is how you repair a driveway where it catches the bottom of your vehicle. So this is Joe. If we can help with paving or concrete in and around your house or your business, just leave a comment down below in the video and I'll contact you anywhere in Indianapolis here in central Indiana, Indianapolis and the contiguous counties. We'll do our best to help you. Thanks for watching.